Hi everyone, welcome to the Galaxy A event. The new Galaxy A53 and A33 are some of the best looking phones out there. Everyone has a unique style, and this A series is designed to match yours, whatever it may be. The new Ambient Edge smoothly integrates the camera with the body of the phone for a more seamless effect, and the slimmer bezels deliver a more unified look. These phones come in timeless black and white, plus two new cool colors, Awesome Blue and Awesome Peach. And these stylish devices will help support all of the awesome things you're doing. We're giving you an incredible display that helps you interact more seamlessly with your passions. Whether you're finding the latest gaming hacks, trying out a new recipe, or even learning how to make the most out of your smartphone camera. And we're continuing to make our high-quality screens more accessible so you can explore your interests and discover new skills on a large, Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display. The Galaxy A53 has a 6.5-inch display with a 120 Hz refresh rate, and the A33 has a 6.4-inch display with a 90 Hz refresh rate. Both provide a smooth and vivid viewing experience that keeps you engrossed in your content. Galaxy A53 and A33 come with a stereo speaker that delivers incredible sound that's louder than before. And with Dolby Atmos, the sound will be rich and immersive.
The Galaxy A53 and A33 come with a versatile quad camera system that helps you capture photos and videos across different environments and lighting conditions. And when you need more detail for those really intricate creations, the main wide camera on the A53 has a 64 megapixel sensor that helps produce high-quality photos and videos. Across the camera experience, the Galaxy A series makes high-quality tech more accessible. Because for your next creative project, you need powerful creative tools to help achieve your vision. When taking a portrait, the subject should be in focus and be the focus of the shot. The newly enhanced portrait mode on the A series now captures depth and subject outline with more accuracy. It uses dual cameras and powerful AI to keep attention where it should be, like on that burger. And it's easy to give your shot the perfect mood by choosing from one of the many different portrait effects. So before posting, you can add your creative touches to your pro quality shots.
Awesome!
We know your life isn't static, and neither is your content. When you're filming on the go, the Galaxy A53 and A33 helps capture super smooth video. With an innovative combination of powerful hardware and sophisticated software that catches every dynamic moment. The shakes or bumps that might happen while you're walking, it gets stabilized by the advanced OIS and VDI's technologies, working in sync to counteract movements while you film. Galaxy A53 and A33 now come with Object Eraser, which uses AI to analyze and identify objects in your photo so you can get rid of any unwanted things to create images that fully capture your vision. Now, that's pretty cool, huh? The powerful AI on these devices is fueled by an advanced 5nm processor with enhanced CPU, GPU, and NPU performance. And for even more processing power, RAM Plus lets you use your phone's internal memory to create additional virtual RAM, so you can launch and run apps even faster than before.
Awesome!
And when you want to share your creations with the world, Galaxy A53 and A33 makes sharing super easy. The fastest way is Quick Share. It lets you instantly share files with people around you, even if they don't have a Galaxy device. Or use Private Share. It lets you set an expiration date for what you're sending and disable screenshots and resharing so you can have more control over who sees your masterpiece. And for things that you really want under lock, like a copy of your passport or that photo from high school that you don't want anyone to see, you can use Secure Folder, which is an encrypted storage space protected by defense-grade Samsung locks. It even has a biometric lock and PIN for extra security.
We've enhanced your phone's 5G to unlock faster upload and download speeds.
With the Galaxy A53 and A33, you don't have to worry. They're water and dust resistant and have a sturdy frame that helps protect them from drops and scratches. Galaxy A53 and A33's battery lasts up to 2 days, so you can go from an adventurous day into an exciting night, even if you forgot to charge your phone the night before.
Here at Samsung, we want you to always have access to your technology, so you can do awesome things on it for longer. If you misplace your device, the Smart Things Find network can help you find your lost buds, smartphone, watch, and more. It generates more than 2 billion data exchanges between the Find network and Galaxy products every week, helping you locate your lost items. So much of your life is on your phone, so protecting your privacy is essential. To bring you more peace of mind, the privacy dashboard on One UI 4 shows you at a glance which apps are accessing your data, camera, and microphone. So you get to choose who can see what, because the power to protect your privacy should be in your hands. You'll be able to enjoy One UI 4, the latest in the Galaxy user experience, and extended software upgrades on the Galaxy A53 and A33 make sure you can access this One UI and all of our latest technologies for even longer. The Galaxy A53 will be available on April 1st from €449, and the A33 on April 22nd from €369. Pre-orders for the Galaxy A53 start tomorrow. And if you pre-order, you'll be able to experience Galaxy Buds Live on us.